Welcome to Cooking with Gringo. It's Budget Meal Friday because eating good shouldn't mean going broke. Today we're going to make a Mexican tater tot casserole. What makes it Mexican? I don't know. I asked ChatGPT to create me some recipes. This is the one it created, I guess, because it has black beans and taco seasoning. To a skillet, we're going to add in 1 pound of ground beef. Now, once all the meat is thoroughly cooked, we're going to turn off the heat and add in to taste taco seasoning, salt, and pepper. Incorporate the seasonings. Now we're going to add in 1 can of black beans. Stir to combine. And now into a 9x13 pan we're going to add the beans and meat. And then we're going to layer in some frozen tater tots. And to that, we're going to sprinkle in about 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese. And now we bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. And now, after 40 minutes, it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. Not bad. Could be better. Add some fresh onion, garlic, when you're cooking the meat. Other than that, it cost us $15 to make this. Feeds about 6 people. All in all, that ain't too bad. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.